Okay, tonight I'm striking another one off of my watch list, and uh, this one, information that I was able to find on it, and excuse me for not making a poor attempt at pronouncing a name. Uh, I don't want to be bad at it. Maybe later on I will improve with the names, but I don't want to destroy somebody's name with my uh, poor pronunciation of it. But anyway, this particular song was written by one of Dimash's favorite Kazakh singers, and that was the late lead singer from A'Studio, same gentleman who composed Sinful Passions. The title means tension or disagreement, quarrel, the opposite of harmony. It's a word that's not used that often, uh, but it's got a lot of different meanings to it. Uh, it refers at one point to a dish, and I'm going to try this one at sibaz, uh, to that something was like the sauce of sibaz, and I did a little research on that, and evidently that's like a type of goulash, a traditional food, and it's most commonly served as the pre-course or an appetizer to the full meal. So I found that a little bit interesting. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and play this one. I have heard the song before, but not this particular version of it. So this performance will be new for me. Oh, love the outfit.
Şarattan Bombay gurkema Kazak'da Telberken kızga karım bezoda vay Gide belge çayına Tangayam namo Sarmasan çazgı kızgı gündeminde ya vay Türkiye, Türkiye, esnafım Türkiye, Durdaraz, Bence hakkı Durdaraz, Kelbirleri şaldaraz, Kelbisinde kızdaraz, Üzerine gelmesin dep sol kız benim, Bezdaraz, Bezdaraz, Şarkı çöz, tonaksa kanal, tolganayda Kırgın çok sulu kız esremunda ya vay dido Sarmarım, karakat közüm, Kazakh manda Bolsan çok sügü çarım, del ozunda ya vay Türkiye, Türkiye, Esnafım Türkiye, Durdaraz, Durdaraz, Bence hakkı Durdaraz, Kelbirleri şaldaraz, Kelbisinde kızdaraz, Üzerine gelmesin dep sol kız benim, Bezdaraz, Bezdaraz. Türkiye, Türkiye, Esnafım Türkiye, Durdaraz, Durdaraz, Bence hakkı Durdaraz, Kelbirleri şaldaraz, Kelbisinde kızdaraz, Üzerine Durdaraz, bezdaraz.
Okay, great version of it. Uh, and as always, his stage presence, he controls the stage. Yes, they've got the great effects behind it. They've got the dancers and that, but he is the focus. They are simply the background. And there are times when I feel sorry for the individuals that are the background. But one thing I've noted when I've watched uh, some of his full concerts, that he always makes a point at the end of the concerts to acknowledge every single person that was on the stage with him. That's one of the other things that I like about him. In fact, I was asked not too long ago by somebody of, why am I so into this particular singer? And I had to tell them, it was not just that voice. And, that voice is absolutely incredible. The range, uh, the crystal clear notes, his ability to transition seamlessly from one octave to the other, from a very low octave right up to a high octave that, it makes you think that there's two separate people singing it. Uh, but his whole person on that you see that when he sings a song, he is living the words of that song. He has gotten into it, and he portrays that on the stage. And then, of course, the other thing is just him off stage, his beliefs in world harmony, world peace, on that just pulls you in. But anyway, I'm going to end this one tonight by playing a little thing that I was able to catch, and it is a little short thing on a rehearsal. Let me pull that one up. Okay, and I'm just tagging this one on at the very end. It is a rehearsal that Dimash did, or that was filmed of Dimash, and I'm just going to let it play out as my ending. So I will say to you right now, have a good day, good week, and above all, peace. Such a mystical sound to that instrument.
Saldan bulamayla kırgın günüm var. Lezimle kayda kayda tüsür Gerçuak günde gizgin ayna hayranım Addı ismin şayyodan ayama Kıskındı şirkette bu şakayı Şazım var Hasbe şehirle şılımsıyor Ahtırdan aydavı men ayna Gittim kıyıra Sabahtav hayran gelen Mart'ta kaldım Adasın üstümden ayna Gitti kıyıra Kişicim barino Şası gelgin kayredo Otsno enden saldarlar Onaldana hey saedo Zamanto Kayran yeri şalkır gülü Ebola saldan bulatayna Kırgın günüm
I get to the next song.
Onday gurkema Khasakanayo Temberten tuzakar bizi odayay Kepbidir mergi çayna Tanrayanayo Sarmazan şası kızgı günlemin diyoy Üzerinde kendisinin solgaz benim bezdaraz bezdaraz
The person filming the rehearsal was having fun with their camera.
Gördüm çok sulu kızı sıramında yavaydı ya Kara kalp kıza Şazık banda Solsan çal sevgi çar Deryosunda yavvay. Üzülmeyin kendisiniz olmaz benim. Bezaraz, bezaraz.
Oh my God. This is going to be an hour-long video. We can't just watch it all the way through. We have to stop. There's too many things to talk about.
Welcome to the Throga channel. Today we have another reaction video. My name is Richard.
And
Did you know that Amazon has a $50 million fund that they have to pay out every month? And here's how you can.
Well, got a little extras thrown in there that I hadn't planned on, but anyway, that's it for tonight. Have a good one. Okay, tonight I'm striking another one off of my watch list. And this one, able to find a little bit of information on it. One that I found quite interesting is that the song was actually written by the late lead singer from A'Studio, the Kazakh singer who also wrote Sinful Passion. He was one of Dimash's favorite Kazakh singers, so it stands to reason that he would perform more of his songs. The title of it, Durdaraz, it's one of those, they say it's a rarely used word, one of those ones that occasionally gets pulled out on there, but the translation, it basically means the opposite of harmony or tension, disagreement, quarrels, whatever on there. And then I had to look up one other thing from the translation. There's a reference to a sauce, sirets. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that. And I looked up to see what it was. And it is similar to a goulash, but it's more commonly served as a pre-course, an appetizer, rather than a main course dish. And that, so with kind of that information in there, I'm going to look at the English lyrics on that when they get to that, and see how, an appetizer course fits into the story that's being told by this song. But before I get into that, I just wanted to address something. I received a message from somebody who had viewed my channel, and I have to repeat again, I am not a reactor. I tend to review, and not just Dimash, not just music. I will be doing books, movies, art. I will talk about social issues and so forth. So not a one genre channel, but at the same time, it would be helpful for me because I'm a neophyte at this. I've dabbled on it a little bit. But if there are things that you would be interested in having me research and do something on, drop it in the comments and let me know on that, so that I can, pull up more topics to talk about. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and play the song, and then at the end of it, I found another little quick clip that I'm going to add So I will let those just, play out rather than me coming back in and doing a wrap up. So with that being said, at this point, I'm going to wish you all a good night, good day, good week, and peace. And now let's go ahead and listen to the song.
Şaratın bunday görkem kızımda yok. Tek bir kızga karab bezöde yok. Gider belki çayına tangayana sarmasan çazgı
Yeah.
kızgın günlemin diyor. Gelmesin dep sol kız benim Bezdaraz, Bezdaraz.
I love his outfit.
Şarkı çöz, tonuk sığana, tolganayda yok. Kırgım çok sulu kız esremunda yavay deydi. Sarmarım, karakat köze, жазық маңдайым болсаң шақ сүйген жарым дәл осындай ой Үркияй, бес қалам үркияй Durdaraz, Özgen Hangu Durdaraz Köprüleri şallarız, gökyüzünde kızlarız Huzurun gelmesin hep sol kız benim Bezdaraz, Bezdaraz Türkiye, bes hava Türkiye, Durdaraz, Özgen Hangu Durdaraz, köprüleri şallarız, gökyüzünde kızlarız, yüzünün yeri gelmesin hep sol kız benim, Bezdaraz, Bezdaraz. Yüzünün yeri gelmesin hep sol kız benim, Bezdaraz, Bezdaraz.
Okay, I said I wasn't going to come back and talk. I was just going to let it play out. But I was reminded when I was listening to this that when I was at the clinic recently and I had some Dimash music playing again, one of the team members asked me what I like so much about this particular singer. And they had listened to the music and wanted kind of my feedback on it. And I was explaining to them that not only this, this beautiful, beautiful voice, the super range that he has, the clarity, that each note is precise and right on, on pitch for it, and his ability, excuse me, to seamlessly go from that low to a higher octave, with not even a break in there, the breath control, the stage presence on there, but him as a person. I've watched some of his full concerts, and even though when he's in the concert, he is definitely center stage. He owns the stage, and he's got the musicians and the dancers and the backup singers and all this in there. But the focus is on him, and they're kind of the peripherals. But at the end of every concert, he makes it around to acknowledging every single person that was on the stage with him. And that shows a lot about him. And then it's just, him as the person, his strong belief in love for mankind, peace and harmony. That is, just very, he's got this charismatic personality. We could do with a few leaders in our world that had that same type of personality. Would be a much better world for it. But with that being said, now my voice is leaving me. I'm going to go ahead and play that little short that I had found. Okay, and this is someone filmed him in a rehearsal for a performance, and it's got 2 songs on it. And now I will definitely just let it play out. So, good night, good day, good week, and peace. Love the mystical sound of that instrument.
Adasın üstümden ayna gitti kıyılar. Belki şişkin gayrı şası gelgi gayrı Mutlu enden sallarlar onaldığına bir sahip Salmamda ayran yedi şalkır gülü İbola saldan polataydı Kırgın kırgın Onday gurkema hasatana Temberten tuz katar gözü odaya vay Tembidir mergi çayına Tanrayana Sarmazan şası kızgın kınnemin diyor vay Üzülmeye gelmesin solgaz benim bezdaraz bezdaraz
Person filming is having fun with their camera.
Gördüm çok sulu kızı sıramında ya vay diyor Karakat kızı Şazık banda Solsan çal sevgi çarım del gözümde ya vay Üzülmeye gelmesin solgaz benim bezdaraz bezdaraz
Well, that was an abrupt ending to the filming, but it was a rehearsal. So that is it. Have a good one.